Have you ever heard investors talk about the Russell 200 and wondered what it actually is? Is it just another index like the S&P 500 or Nasdaq? Today, we're breaking down what the Russell 200 is, why it matters, and how traders and investors use it to gauge the health of the small cap market. Let's get into it. The Russell 200 is a stock market index that tracks 200 small cap US companies, basically, the smaller tier of the broader Russell 300 index. Whereas the S&P 500 represents the largest 500 companies, the Russell 200 shows us how smaller, faster growing companies are performing. Because it's made up of small companies, it's often considered a barometer of the US economy's domestic health, especially the risk appetite of investors. So why should you care about small caps at all? Small cap companies tend to grow faster than large caps when the economy is strong, be more sensitive to interest rate changes, react more dramatically to economic data, lead sectors that benefit from domestic demand. When the Russell 200 is strong, it often signals confidence in economic growth and willingness by investors to take more risk. Here are the key drivers. 1. Economic data, retail sales, job numbers, and consumer sentiment all impact small caps disproportionately. 2. Interest rates. Lower rates make borrowing cheaper for smaller companies, and that boosts earnings potential. 3. Liquidity and risk appetite. When cash is flowing and traders are chasing higher returns, small caps outperform. When fear rises, investors often rotate out of small caps and into safer, big cap names. Traders and investors watch the Russell 200 for a few reasons. Market breadth indicator. If the Russell 200 is outperforming the S&P 500, it means the rally is broad, not just a handful of big tech stocks lifting the market. Risk sentiment gauge. High Russell 200 performance traders are bullish and seeking growth. Portfolio diversification. Some investors use ETFs like the IWM iShares Russell 200 ETF to get exposure to small cap growth without picking individual stocks. Visual Q show IWM chart with volume and trend lines. So let's recap this. They're small cap companies. It's a leading indicator of domestic economic health and risk appetite. Traders use it to confirm market breadth and momentum. Drop a comment below. Do you watch the Russell 200 when planning your trades? And if you want daily AI-powered market insights and small cap setups, make sure to sign up for our free newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more market breakdowns made simple.